All right, so remember, your computer is a hunk of metal and plastic. It doesn't actually think, it is not self aware, it cannot make decisions. You have to make decisions for it. So your computer needs to have a plan for what to do in different circumstances that you have to think about when you're writing your program. Luckily, pretty much every programming language has if statements, all right? It's a way of doing different things under different circumstances. So, for example, let's say we have two variables. I'm going to have let Monday sales equals 10,000. Let Tuesday sales equal 20,000. All right. Now, maybe these will change. So like Monday sales will be different than Tuesday sales week to week. But for right now, let's just say this week, this was the number we got. Like on Monday, we sold $10,000. We got $10,000 in profit. On Tuesday, we got $20,000 in profit. All right. And so we would like to do different things based on whether or not Tuesday was better than Monday, for example. All right. So how are we going to do that? Because again, these are the variables. They could change. That's the entire point of having a variable. Okay, we want something that is going to be able to change as time goes on. So so you're doing your job as a software engineer. Your boss comes in and says, okay, I'd like you to let me know if Tuesday was better than Monday. If they're the same, just let me know they're the same. And if Monday was better than Tuesday, all right, give me an alert. All right, because he wants to make certain that their profit's going up. All right, this is fairly simple to do in JavaScript. All I have to do is the if statement, if, parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we're going to have what's called a condition. The condition goes inside the parentheses. So what is a condition? A condition is something that could be true or false. It's a thing you're checking for. All right, you want to know if this condition is reality. So let's do the first one. If Monday sales is the same as Tuesday sales. So in JavaScript, we can do it like this. We use triple equals Tuesday sales. Okay, this is how we can compare the two. Triple equals is what I recommend for people who are beginning with JavaScript. I don't recommend using double equals. I recommend using triple equals. Okay, we'll go into that in a little bit why. All right, so this condition, Monday sales equals Tuesday sales. Okay, this is either true or false. Okay, could be true, could be false. Right now, with the current values of Monday and Tuesday sales, it's false. Tuesday sales is 20,000, Monday sales is 10,000. They're not equal. Okay, if they are equal, console.log, excuse me. Okay, Monday and Tuesday were the same. Okay, there's no change. Okay, so if parentheses, and then here's the condition. Okay, and here's the comparison. Okay, the operator, right? The thing that is comparing our values. Okay, in this case, they're equal. Now you're saying, well, Jonathan, there's logically more than one case, right? The first case is they're equal. The second case is Monday was more than Tuesday. The third case was Monday is less than Tuesday. What happens when we have more than one case? Cool. We have else and else if. Since there's three of them, I'm going to use else if here. Okay, let's do the next case. Monday sales is greater than Tuesday sales. Okay, so if Monday sales is greater than Tuesday sales, on Monday we did better. Okay, so we have this else if, and then to handle everything else or otherwise, I always think of else like otherwise. Like if this isn't true and this isn't true and everything else isn't true, otherwise do this. Okay, console.log. Okay, will mean that Monday is less than Tuesday, which means on Tuesday we did better than Monday. Oops, semicolon. Okay, let's break this down. Okay, we start off with if. Okay, in the first condition. Then if there's another condition, we can use else if. Okay, Else if is in between the if and the else. It doesn't come at the end, doesn't come at the beginning, it's always in between. Okay, else if, then the condition. Else doesn't need a condition because it's otherwise. It's all other conditions. Okay, if it's not covered by the if statement and it's not covered by the else if statement, then it goes here. Okay, it's otherwise, anything else. So let's see what happens when we run our program. Okay, think to yourself about what you would expect the program to console log, and let's see if it actually does that. All right, so Monday's sales are 10,000, Tuesday's sales are 20,000. We'll do node if statements.js, and node is a D in it. Okay, on Tuesday we did better than Monday, okay, which is correct. This is 20,000, which is bigger than Monday. So now, like variables, let's go ahead and change them. I'm going to set Monday and Tuesday to 10,000. Now let's run save it, Control S, and then run exactly the same program and see if we get a different. So the first time we ran it, we got this. Now we're going to run it, and we got a completely different console log. Okay, so in this case, Monday and Tuesday were the same. So look, this is the way JavaScript runs. It starts at the top and goes down. It goes to our first if statement. Is this true? In this case, yes, it's true. It will then go inside the curly braces and do whatever logic. Okay, so this is I'm going to use the word logic from now on. It will take whatever logic is here and then go ahead and do it. In this case, it will say Monday and Tuesday were the same, and then that's it. Okay, there you go. This is true. Do the logic. We're good. Then if we change them, I'm going to save it, and then we'll run the same program again. You see how we have one piece of code, if statements.js, and with these if, else if, and else statements, we were able to write a program that could handle whatever the value of Monday sales and Tuesday sales was. So Monday sales and Tuesday sales can change to whatever numbers they want to be changed to. We can handle whatever because we have if, else if, and else statements to basically change what the program does under different conditions. Okay, it takes a bit to kind of wrap your head around if, else, if, else, so it takes some practice, but this is the basic idea.